The impact of technology on our life are significant, but the future promises even more incredible advancement. Just imagine a world where a house can be printed in just few hours and robots are capable of assisting with us various tasks from cooking to maintaining our homes. These emerging technologies has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work and play. Join as we delve into 5 innovative technologies that are set to completely transform our world. Number 1. Hyperloop. Hyperloop trains are called hypertrains, utilize magnetic levitation technology to reach extremely high speed, making it possible to travel from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes. This train travels in vacuum sealed tube, which reduces air resistance and allows for speed up to 700 miles per hour, faster than any commercial airplane. Several companies are currently working on building the infrastructure to make this technology a reality, with the goal of creating a network of hyperloop route that connects major cities, making it easier and faster for people to travel. One of the significant advantages of hyper trains is that they are more energy efficient and sustainable compared to traditional form of transportation, as they do not produce emission and require less energy to operate. Number 2. Biometric Technology. Biometric technology is no longer limited to science fiction movies, but is now being implemented in many businesses, allowing only authorized individuals to enter specific buildings and rooms. This technology recognizes a person's specific physical attribute, such as their fingerprint, facial features, iris, or retina, for security purposes. However, it is making everyday life easier as individuals can use their biometric for identification purposes, eliminating the need to carry a wallet with ID and bank cards. For instance, Palm ID technology is already being used in places like GGU International Airport in South Korea and Amazon Go shops in Seattle, where users can scan the line and patterns in their palm to make a purchase. Number 3. Wearable Technologies. Wearable technologies refers to the device that can be worn on body, designed to enhance the user experience. These devices include smartwatches, fitness tracker, and virtual reality headset. Smartwatches can perform various functions such as tracking fitness, sending text, making phone calls, receiving notification, while fitness trackers monitor physical activities and health metrics such as heart rate and sleep patterns. Virtual reality headsets allow users to immerse themselves in virtual worlds and even experience simulations of real world scenarios. Moreover, smart fabrics and textiles embedded with sensor technology can monitor and track health and physical activities, and they can be controlled by a smartphone, allowing users to change the color and pattern of their clothes. Number 4. Starlink. Starlink Internet developed by SpaceX. This is a satellite-based internet service that utilizes a network of thousands of satellites orbiting around the Earth, provide high-speed internet access to people in remote and underserved area with the speed of up to 100 Mbps and low latency. Starlink offers a seamless and online experience without buffering or lag, making it a game changer for individuals living in the area where broadband internet is not available. Number 5. 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, involves designing a virtual object on a computer and physically creating it using a 3D printer. 3D printing has numerous benefits, including the ability to create complex and detailed design that would be difficult and impossible to produce using traditional manufacturing methods. It is also allows for the creating of customized products such as custom fit prosthetic limb or shoes. Additionally, 3D printing has become more affordable and accessible, making it an emerging technology with vast potential. If any of these technology piqued your thought, we would love to hear your thought in comment section, and also please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content in the future.